Good afternoon, teachers. I'm going to take a couple of minutes here to go over how this course is organized on Moodle. You may have noticed that they changed, they went to a new version of Moodle over the break in between summer sessions, and so your Moodle's going to look a little different when you get on it this time. You know, you can customize it. There's some features on the side that allow you to customize it, but this is just the general look. I'm in the student view. And so the way I organize this is at the top I'll have all of the important documents. Now I don't have them all here. The ISM paper still needs to be added. The family engagement plan needs to be added. I'll add those this week. This week you're going to be working on your culture bag. But at the top of the page I'll put items that you will kind of reference over or might want to come back to over the course of the semester. And then below that I will have the agenda. Now, if this was the second week, it would be on above week one. So I stack them on top so that the most recent agenda is always on the top. Okay, and so this is week one. Today is the 29th. I'll always have our learning targets, and then below that I'll have our agenda. And to kind of cut down on scrolling, what I have here is you just click on each one of these links and it will open that up for you, okay, and show you, you know, what the instructions are under each one of those sections. And so you just go through each one of these. Again, there's an assignment this week about the syllabus, and I have a video there for you on that. There is a culture bag assignment, your readings for this week, and then just a summary of what's due this week, just a snapshot of what you're doing, and then you have a discussion forum, and this is where you will post your culture bag videos. Okay, so I just wanted to go over what this agenda looks like, or what the Moodle format looks like, and then what the weekly agenda looks like. Okay, so I hope this helps. Look forward to working with everybody this coming semester. And hope everybody's school year is off to a great start, and I will talk to you soon.